Hey, welcome to 21st Century Learning. My name is Nate Bowie, and I'm here with my partner Jay Coles, and we have a surprise for you all. Okay. Might not be a huge surprise, but 21st Century Learning is for everyone, and it's not exclusive to the classroom. So, you know how these softwares were supposed to change the world, right? Yeah, those softwares. Well, actually, they have been, all along. They've been slowly integrating themselves into our everyday lives. Now picture this. I want you to imagine something. Imagine that a professor in Malibu, California could somehow lead a class in Brooklyn, New York. That's right. 21st century learning is very possible. And we now have access to more knowledge than we have in previous generations.
The need for learning 21st century skills is evident. It's more than knowledge. It's learning transferable skills. The quality of our lives are influenced by each citizen's proficiency in 21st century skills. So how will 21st century learning impact your life? First of all, you will have access anywhere, anytime. You will have choice. The floodgates of opportunity are open to you. Finally, you can create a program to fit your needs and your learning style. So how do we promote 21st century learning? First, learning conventions ensure all educators are trained in the 21st century way. Additionally, school sites develop exploratory learning that is personalized for every student. Finally, educators get to embrace change by using 21st century technology to prepare students for future talent. What else can we do? As education leader learners, we get to use current platforms in a purposeful way. Our goal is to give every student an opportunity to engage in a meaningful education experience. 21st century learning is everybody's business. As leaders, we must be willing to adapt, change, improvise, and innovate to make education accessible, student-centered, and relevant to a new world of global learning. Let's lead change now.